Beard Club just sent me this starter kit with 5 items for my review, and I love Beard Club. So check this out. First, let's talk about the derma roller, because it's no longer just an item that people just might see and be like, what am I doing with this? What does this do? Let me explain it to you. But let's see how it looks. It comes in that nice little box, yes, but in a really nice package. And I love nice packages to make sure that, sanitary as well, right? And there's a big reason for that. Look at this. Super cool, because you do have also a case where it can actually be. Because this thing needs to live in a case, in my opinion. Let's see how this opens, actually. This is interesting. Am I seeing something? Ah, there it is. Okay, perfect. The reason why this needs to live in its case is because you have these really, really tiny kind of little needles, I call them. It's basically for like derma abrasion or your own kind of manual derma abrasion, which is really nice. And all you need to do, obviously, having this clean, a face that is clean, literally just go around. And I don't even just do this on my beard. And of course you can do it only on your beard, but I actually go all the way over and the entire face, even down my neck. It feels fantastic. It kind of opens up the pores as well. And helps the cleaning process, I find. And I do this before using a face cleaner, and it does promote really nice skin. So I really, really love using this. And I love the size as well. It's not too big, really, really nice, compact for traveling as well. Really a nice thing to have. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is something that most people do not use, do not take, and they don't really associate this with beard products. But check this out. This is a beard growth vitamins. And what it is essentially, it's supplements. And I was reading before, it's like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and pretty much all the vitamin Bs, like B1s and B2s and B3s and B6s. So we're gonna try and test it out. I've had it before, of course. It smells a little earthy. It smells a little bit, earthy. And what they're telling you to do is 2 capsules per day is what you should be taking. Very, very small capsule, which is a nice thing. Usually take this in the morning before breakfast. And doesn't taste like anything, goes down super smooth, and does not have any aftertaste, which is a huge plus. So that one, done. The other thing I'm going to talk about is this one here. This one basically is the one that I would do after washing my face, after using this derma roller. Look at this, the growth vitamin spray or serum, if you want to talk about it like this. You can use it on stubbles, you can use it on full beards, obviously. And what it is that I do is literally just spray it like that, and with clean hands, obviously, just massage it into your beard. And then use the other item that I really, really love is this really soft brush by Beard Club. This and I've tried brushes in the past, and of course right now I only have a few stubbles. Usually I have a little. I go on and off with my beard, and with this, I don't like brushes that are too. I would say like the bristles are too hard for your face. This I literally can go with my stubbles or a full beard. It is really, really nice. It kind of like makes sure that your beard is going all in the right direction. There's no like hairs that are straggling away. Feels really nice as well. Feels kind of put together. And that vitamin spray, by the way, smells delicious. So that's a really nice thing. And then once a week, twice a week, I will go with that growth oil. And this oil is a little bit on the, yeah, it says it, oilier side. The spray will literally go right in and kind of blend in and be absorbed. The oil will stay in. What I usually like to do with that oil is just a few drops before bed. So after your nighttime routine, get that inside of your beard or your stubbles or your face. Feels fantastic. Smells incredible as well. Yeah, it smells like smells very woodsy, which I love, and it does make your beard really, really luscious, really, really nice and vibrant and alive, which I love. But this pack is really cool. It's a really nice giftable pack as well. Really something that I highly recommend.